Tai, is it yummy?
Mom, maybe he will do it like this.
Maybe. He should put his fingers and put it in his mouth.
Mom, maybe
Num
he
num.
will do it like this, Mom. Mom,
Num num.
maybe he will.
Maybe he will. Oh,
Hey,
eat
Dad.
it.
Hey, Dad. Dad. Look
Eat it, buddy.
Cupcake.
Show him how to put it in his
I want a
mouth.
cupcake. I want a cupcake. I'm hungry and I want a
James,
cupcake.
quit. Mmm, how is that, buddy?
It's yummy. Yummy.
It's like marshmallow cream frosting.
It's yummy. It's really good. You put it in your mouth, bud.
This one's my favorite flavor.
Your time.
Give him a big bite. Stick it in his mouth. Oh, delish.
What do you think, Tai?
Is it yummy?
Tai.
Mom,
Yeah.
I saw open.
This
Mom,
is
look
like
at
the
me.
best part.
Mom,
Yeah.
I saw open 7 equals.
That's
I'm gonna
okay.
come off.
That's okay.
Here, bud. Let me help you a little.
Is that good, buddy? Say yummy.
Mom.
Yummy.
Mom,
Yeah.
I can have 2 cupcakes. I
You
can
can.
miss one or.
He can have 2 if he's when you I think he's tired. He's sucking on his fingers.
All right, I'm done.
Is that delish?
I'm gonna read the bath, ready?
Okay.
Cupcake's good.